it's just so natural, and you know how much I love a natural brow. Guys, I thought I'd start like this because seriously, you guys know how much I love brows. This product is literally gonna change the game, like literally gonna change the game. So I thought I'd cover the done eyebrow just to kind of really show you how beautiful this is. Like, if you were thinking of microblading and you're scared, this is the product. Look at that brow. Like, apologies for the spot, but let me just zoom in on that brow. Like, it's literally just my hairs. It's literally just my hairs, and they've been darkened. There's no harsh black pencil or anything like that. It's literally, I don't know why I have my eye sockets are brown, but whatever. It's literally just the pencil. Just the pencil. I found it. I've been telling you guys that, you know, I've been looking for something that's kind of, there are other products that kind of do the whole microblading thing, but this is on a whole new level. And by the time I finish and let you guys know what this product is, it's affordable, it's easy to use. This brow I did in about 5 minutes. It was just crazy. Like, it's so easy to use, so quick, so precise, and honestly, it's a very good product. I am really excited for this particular product, so I'm gonna get on, because time as per usual. I'm gonna get on, do the other brow, and then we're gonna talk, okay? Because we need to talk about this. So I've got the base of the brow that I've done, and I'm just gonna like carry on blending out the concealer. I can see there's quite a gap here, but that's just my brows. I don't want to fill it in as of yet because I'm not sure. I'm gonna leave like I usually do. I'll leave the full corrections till the very end, just in case I don't actually need to correct it. Yep, so I'm pretty happy with the brow. Just gonna do some finishing touches. There's a little gap in there. So I'm just gonna merge this concealer properly off. Merge. I'm just going to blend this concealer properly off camera, and I'll get back to you guys. So guys, here is the finished eyebrow look. Guys, I'm telling you, this new eyebrow product is changing the game. Like, it's seriously changing the game. I am so excited. My brows look fleeky. I'm gonna zoom in for you guys. It's just so natural, and you know how much I love a natural brow. If I really want to add to this and make it like really heavy, I could, but because I have quite, I don't know, something about my skin tone or my face that doesn't suit very harsh brows, very harsh eyes, very harsh anything. Some people can really pull it off, but I can't. So unfortunately, I don't do harsh. You know that about me, guys. Anyways, I can't talk for too long. It's 7 o'clock shit. So the brow product that I have used today is the L'Oreal Micro Tattoo Brow Artist. Now, this is basically one of those eyebrow fell tips, right? So I'm sure by this point you probably would have seen me use one. If you haven't, there's another video for that. And you know, the great thing about it is that the tips are so thin that each stroke kind of wraps around your hairs, rather than giving that harsh pencil line. It kind of wraps around your hairs and just makes each hair look darker, rather than just having this like blackness all over your brows, or dark brownness all over your brows. And you guys probably know by now, I love those sort of things. Anything kind of felt tip, eyebrow felt tip, I love. But look what these guys have done. Do you see that? So you know what that is, right? Damn! That is like a, even they call it the micro tattoo. Like they're just thinking completely outside the box. They're thinking what I'm thinking, which is to try and get an eyebrow product that kind of acts like a microblade, because not everybody can afford a microblade. Not everybody, some people have really sensitive skin. Not everybody can take the pain of any sort of tattoo, whether, you know, makeup, permanent makeup, or, you know, a proper tattoo. There's different reasons why people can't unfortunately get microblading, and this is all they want. This is all they want, something like this, something that makes their brows look natural. I'm sure you guys would have seen, or would have seen in the main video, when I went through this brow with this, it was very faint looking, but it's because I hadn't defined and cut and shaped the brow with my concealer. But just without the concealer, you could see how this brow product, or how the brow look could be used as a very natural and simple brow look, and it is amazing. So I got this in the 109 Ebony, which is my perfect shade of brown, and I think it was about $4.99 or so, which really is not expensive. Great pricing, great product. And one thing I like is, if you use it this way, it's faint, but you can still see it's coming through onto the hairs. And if you use, let me demonstrate on my hand. If you use it this way, it's quite faint for you guys, but that's what I like. It's coming onto my, it's coming onto my hand really well. This is how it should go. But if you use it straight, it gives a very thick line. So at the end, I kind of went in to make it a bit darker. Like, you can build it up, and you know how much, guys, I love buildable. You guys know how much I love buildable eyebrow products, and this is so far the best. It reminds me of the Menage Brow, which Tyra Banks released in America. I've never used that pencil, but I've seen it for years now, and I've always wanted to get my hands on one. But obviously I live in the UK, and I've never been able to find a way to get it over to me. But it reminds me of that, and I still want to try the Menage Brow, but so far as I've got this for now, I'm really excited. Like, this is definitely something to put in your collection or in your makeup bag. If you're not good with brows, this will help, at least just to give you a little bit of density. And yeah, I'm really happy with this product. So guys, let me know what you think down in the comments below. Let me know if this is going to be your new favorite brow product from now on, because it's definitely going to be mine. If you know of anything else that kind of acts like this, that microblading stroke by stroke sort of look, then please comment down below so that maybe I can try it. On your left there is the like button, so it would help if you give me a thumbs up, and on your right there is the subscribe button and the little bell, which if you click both, you'll get you'll be notified every time I upload. So guys, until next time, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.